Hey sun seekers, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving deep into the magical world of sunrises and sunsets, exploring the breathtaking beauty of these daily phenomena through stunning time-lapse footage. If you're ready to witness the sky painted in hues of gold and pink, hit that subscribe button and join us on this mesmerizing journey. Have you ever considered why the sight of a sunrise or sunset can be so captivating? It's a question that has intrigued humanity for centuries, inspiring poets, artists, and dreamers to capture these moments in words, images, and emotions. The allure of beginnings and endings is deeply ingrained in our psyche. The sunrise, with its soft rays piercing the veil of night, symbolizes a new beginning, a fresh start. It's a daily reminder that we have the opportunity to start anew, to rewrite our stories, to make a difference. It's a symbol of hope, of optimism, of the promise that a new day holds. On the other hand, the sunset, with its fiery hues painting the sky, signifies an ending, a closure. It's a time to reflect, to look back on the day that was, and to find peace in the impermanence of it all. The sunset is a symbol of transformation, of change, a poignant reminder that nothing in life is permanent. These daily phenomena, the sunrise and sunset, are not just natural occurrences. They are deeply symbolic, representing life's cyclical nature, the ebb and flow, the rise and fall, the constant dance between light and darkness. They are metaphors for life itself, beautiful, transient, ever-changing. In literature, art, and culture, sunrise and sunset have been used to evoke a range of emotions and ideas. From the hopeful beginnings depicted in the soft light of dawn to the melancholic endings symbolized by the crimson hues of dusk, these moments of transition have found their way into the heart of human expression. But this fascination isn't just about symbolism. There's science behind the magic too. The changes in color, the play of light and shadow, the transformation of the sky. They're all part of a complex scientific process that makes these moments so visually stunning. But what exactly causes these daily spectacles of nature? What makes the sky change colors as the sun rises and sets? Stay tuned as we delve into the science of sunrise and sunset in the next part of this journey. As the sun begins to peek over the horizon, we witness the start of a new day. But what's the science behind this beautiful phenomenon? The sun doesn't rise. Not really. It's actually the Earth rotating on its axis that gives us this perception. Picture a globe spinning on its stand. As it turns, different parts of it come into the sunlight. When your part of the Earth turns towards the sun, that's when you see the sun rising over the horizon. Now, Earth doesn't spin upright. It's tilted on its axis by about 23.5 degrees. This tilt, along with Earth's elliptical orbit, means that the sun appears to rise from different points on the horizon at different times of the year. That's why we have longer days in summer and shorter ones in winter. But what about the beautiful colors we see at sunrise? That's all thanks to the Earth's atmosphere. You see, sunlight is made up of different colors, each with different wavelengths. Blue and violet light have the shortest wavelengths and get scattered all over the sky by the molecules in our atmosphere. However, at sunrise the sun is low on the horizon, and sunlight has to pass through more of the Earth's atmosphere. This extra distance scatters the short wavelength blue and violet light to the sides and out of our line of sight. Meanwhile, the longer wavelength light, the reds, oranges, and yellows, gets less scattered and makes its way to your eyes. This process is known as Rayleigh scattering, and it's what paints the sky with the warm hues of a sunrise. But remember, every sunrise is unique. The exact colors and their intensity can vary depending on the time of year, the weather, and even particles in the air, such as dust or smoke. So the next time you watch the sunrise, remember, you're witnessing a wonderful interplay of Earth's rotation and the scattering of sunlight. So we've learned about the science behind the sunrise. But what about when the sun sets? What's happening then? Well, the science of sunset is just as fascinating as that of sunrise. It's essentially the same process, but in reverse. As our Earth continues to rotate, the sun appears to move across the sky, gradually descending towards the horizon. Picture this. As the sun gets lower, its light has to travel through more and more of the Earth's atmosphere. Now, our atmosphere isn't just empty space. It's filled with tiny particles of dust, water, and gases. As sunlight passes through these particles, it scatters in all directions. This scattering is what brings out the beautiful colors we associate with sunset. Now, you might be wondering, Why are sunsets often more vibrant than sunrises? Well, that's where the science gets even more interesting. During the day, human activity kicks up more particles into the atmosphere. Think car emissions, factory smoke, even dust from construction sites. By the time the sun starts to set, there's a higher concentration of these particles for the sunlight to interact with. This increased scattering of light can lead to more intense and varied colors, from deep reds to oranges, pinks, and purples. So the next time you see a sunset, remember, you're not just watching the sun dip below the horizon. You're witnessing the interaction of light with millions of tiny particles. You're seeing the result of Earth's rotation and the physics of light scattering at play. You're experiencing one of the most common yet extraordinary phenomena that our natural world has to offer. And that's the science of sunset, a daily spectacle that combines physics, atmospheric science, and human activity to create a show of colors that never ceases to amaze. Next time you watch a sunset, think about the amazing processes at work that create such a stunning view. Isn't it fascinating to learn about the science behind such everyday phenomena? To think that the ethereal hues painting the sky at dawn and dusk are the result of light scattering and atmospheric conditions, it's truly mind-boggling. We've dived into the science of sunrise and sunset, unraveling the mechanisms behind these daily spectacles. These events serve as a reminder of our planet's ceaseless journey around the sun, a dance that has been ongoing for over 4.5 billion years. And yet, each sunrise and sunset is unique, a fleeting moment of beauty, never to be replicated exactly. Let's not take these everyday marvels for granted. Let's pause, observe, and appreciate the natural world more broadly. Let it inspire us. Let it humble us. Let it remind us of our place in the grand cosmic ballet. Remember, there's a lot of magic in the natural world, and sometimes it's happening right outside your window. We hope you've enjoyed this exploration into the science of sunrise and sunset. It's fascinating, isn't it? To think that these everyday phenomena are not just beautiful to watch, but also filled with so much science and magic. Now, we have a little challenge for you. The next time you watch a sunrise or sunset, try to identify the processes we discussed in this video. Does the sky look different to you now that you know what's happening behind the scenes? And remember, your engagement helps us create more content like this. So if you've enjoyed this video, don't hesitate to show it. A thumbs up, a share, or a subscription. These actions go a long way in supporting our channel. And we're curious, what was your favorite part of this video? Was it the science or the magic? Comment below and join the conversation. Don't forget to subscribe for more mesmerizing content. Until next time, may every sunrise and sunset bring you moments of awe and inspiration. Thanks for watching. Until next time, stay curious.